Hello guys, welcome back to another chess video. This is Amit here, and today I'll be showing you all a game which occurs in the Queen's Gambit accepted variation. But in this opening, actually, White who goes on from a calm and slow position to directly attack on the Black King. So these games were played by Shamatkov and Adlin. The game which was played between them is very instructive. So hope you watch the video till the end, and please if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's begin with the game. White plays d4, black plays d5, c4. This is the Queen's Gambit accepted defense, d into c4, and here white plays e3, and to this in order to counter the e3, black directly pushes the pawn to e5, opening up his king pawn. So he has launched a counter attack by playing e5, and if d takes the pawn on the e5, then queen takes the queen and king takes the queen, and black is ahead in development, because now if f4, then he gets his bishop here. Now if bishop takes this pawn, then immediately triple O, and he's way ahead in development than black. Now white has to come here, and knight may come here, and a lot of game will be there for black. So this counter was not accepted, and for e5 he simply played bishop into c4 and continuing with his development, but black instead took the pawn. He takes the pawn, and now you can see that white bishop is in a very aggressive position, and his position is quite open, and even black's position is also open, but black doesn't have a defender on f7, and black is not actually attacking anything on the white's king side. So white is slightly better here. So black played knight f6, knight c3, bishop e7, and now knight to f3. All are simple development moves, but here black was simply afraid if knight plays to c6, then bishop f5 and knight to b5 may threaten this c7 pawn. So instead he made a mistake by getting his knight to d7. So now you can see that the queen is actually blocked and cannot move anywhere. So white plays a stunning move. Pause the video and try to find out the winning move for white. Yeah, the winning move for white is bishop takes f7. So now if king takes f7, then it's completely lost. Even if king goes to f8, then simply knight g5 and double attack can't be stopped. So this was a quiet position until here, and once he played the move knight d7, then it was all over for black, because the light square bishop for black is actually not able to control the e6 square. So white sacrificed the bishop. So now king has to take the f7. Now knight g5 was played. So now here if king goes to f8, e8, then knight smothers the queen and queen will be lost. If king goes to f8, then again double attack will happen, and knight to e6 is check and double attack, and he will lose the piece. If king goes to g8, then queen plays b3, and no piece can actually come in the middle. Only this knight can come, but this knight will be taken, and king to f8 and queen f7 will be a mate. So king g8 or e8 or f8 is not possible, so he has to come to g6. Now another move, queen to d3 was played. So here king is under check, and this bishop blocking the knight, blocking the bishop's diagonal was simply a greater loss for black. So he has to move his king only here. Bishop cannot block the queen as well. So king moved to h5. Now queen h3 is a check, and again king goes to g6, queen d3, and king h5. So here white played knight to e6, another move which actually allows mate to black. If black tries to escape his queen and moves it elsewhere, then queen simply comes to f5, and if king comes here, then g3 is a mate. So if queen is sacrificed, then white will be simply 3 points up, and he will be able to win the game easily. Along with that, he has 2 pawns extra as well, so he can win the game easily. Once knight e6 is played, queen has to come to e8 or on the g8. If queen comes to g8, then here king comes to h4, then queen to g5 is a mate. So this position arose because of a simple mistake which occurred in the opening knight bd7. So you have to be alert to all such tactics which will occur in the game. Once you find out a slight uneasiness in the opponent's position, you have to try to capitalize on that and try to mate the black king. So white was quite alert, and he gave up his bishop and brought his knight here, and he was able to win the game easily in a few moves. So hope you like this video. If you like this video and are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon if you want to get further notified of my videos. Thank you all.